Okay, come down, and then we'll do some pulling down the skies to end. Salute the earth, salute the sky, salute yourself. We're talking about fire and water here. You can think about it that way as well. Going down heaven, the earth, salute the sky, salute yourself. Coolness of the earth, the warmth of the sun above, balancing it within yourself, thinking about the coolness of the earth below, the fire, the sun above, and you bring it all into balance in your body. There's a book, I think a book out there called Between Heaven and Earth, and the Chinese thought about that. They thought about the old traditions. Earth below, sky above, heaven above, and what's in between? Us, humanity. Okay, bring those arms down to the belly. And just hold. Do a couple more breaths if you want to. Okay, thank you.